Hello and welcome to Making Joyful Noise, brought to you by beautiful St. Paul Lutheran Church in downtown Sarasota, Florida. My name is John Ferreira. I am the director of music and the organist at the church. On Sunday, January 23rd, we have a lot of music that's going to be very much supportive of the liturgy of the day and the sermon. For the opening, we're going to be doing a piece we call it Per Nobis on the program, but it's really a combination of two different hymns. You'll hear two different melodies. One of the melodies, both of the melodies you'll know, but one of the melodies begins it with the it's done by the bells, by the way. It's done with the full bell choir, and then halfway through it, you'll hear the bass bells play a different melody to the same, it's supposed to be to the same text, and then the upper notes continue to play the other melody at the same time. It makes for an absolutely beautiful arrangement of that. Then the opening hymn is, or the gathering hymn, is "Oh, for 1,000 Tongues to Sing," which is kind of like a prelude of everything that's going to happen during the service. The psalm is Psalm 19. I'm going to talk about that a little later. But the choir anthem is going to be mentioned in the sermon also, and it is "Make Me a Channel of Your Peace." You all know that. We've sung that. I think everybody has just about sung that. But after you listen to the sermon, it may present a different feeling for you. It's really very well done. The last thing is the postlude. That's when the organ plays alone. And I'm going to be doing Psalm 19, which was our psalm for the day. And it's written by a guy by the name of Bernardo Marcello. He does a neat arrangement of this, and some people know it as the other wedding music. Most of the wedding music we hear is dum dum da dum 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 da dum, and going out is dum dum da dum 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 dum. Well, this piece can be played for the bride's processional or the bride's recessional. I've heard it played during Lent even. It's a very familiar piece. I have a recording of it by Mark Hussey. He's a very creative organist in North Carolina. He plays it about the tempo that I'll be playing it on Sunday. He adds a few things. Can you imagine an organist that adds a few things to the music? Let's take a quick listen to this. There's the theme. He's going to begin to add his own little improvisation right in here. All that's added. That's kind of neat. He ends it with the melody, and that's what we'll hear on Sunday. Tune in on Sunday, 9:30 a.m. Facebook, or better still, come on down live, St. Paul Lutheran Church, downtown Sarasota, Florida. Thank you for listening.